Hey everybody, welcome to the Bread Box, the channel dedicated to Commodore computers. In this video, there's two things I want to cover. I just want to do a little bit of an update on my Commodore computer room, but also talk to you about the Commodore 64 new build and giveaway that I'll be doing very soon as well, and that's thanks to PCBWay. First of all, I just want to talk about a couple of windfalls I've had in building this Commodore computer room. This slat wall, which I've shown in previous videos on my build, I purchased this from a shop that closed down locally here in New Plymouth. You may recall the video I also did about how when I was picking up the slat wall, they had some other items there that were thrown away. And one of those items was a Sega, I think it was an SC100, I can't remember the exact model now, but a Sega home computer. I'd never seen one before, did some research about it, and then I did a quick video on it. You may recall all of that, and if not, you'll see a link into the up here somewhere, or maybe up here. I sold that on Trade Me for $450, so I was pretty wrapped with that. When I also picked up the slat wall with my trailer, they had two more sheets there that the shop owner said, look, you might as well just take them, it saves us dumping them. So I grabbed them, put them onto the trailer, and then when I got home I put them onto buy, sell and swap. Now I purchased this slat wall there for $150, which is a really good price here locally in New Zealand. And I advertised the other two sheets for a quick sale on buy and sell on Facebook for $150 for the two sheets. And so I travelled 100 kilometres to get here to pick them up pretty much straight away. So I made $150. This cost me $150, so really that slat wall cost me $0, which is fantastic. The next little windfall was these cabinets that surround my Commodore computer room. I got rid of one. The reason why is because I was at a garage sale with my family and there was 4 retro looking cabinets, glass cabinets for sale for $50. So that's $50 for all 4. I had to confirm that before I purchased them. So I purchased them, came home, took one of these cabinets out, and I put the 3 of the 4 cabinets into the Commodore computer room. The 4th one I sold on buy, sell and swap for $50. Remember, it cost me $50 for all 4 of them, so I managed to get my money back from that sale. And the spare steel cabinet I sold on buy, sell and swap as well, and someone purchased that for $40, so I broke even on that as well. So I thought those were pretty good little windfalls, or wins. I don't usually get wins, so I'm pretty happy how these all turned out, so it was pretty exciting for me. So I thought I'd do a little bit of a tour now of the new things inside the Commodore computer room and the new features of the Commodore computer room. So these are the glass cabinets I purchased from the garage sale for $50. I must admit I need to use some window cleaner on them. So I used 3 in my Commodore computer room. It's not quite finished yet, but it's getting there. This gives you a bit of an idea of how I'm going to be setting up the room. I'll just open up the cabinet. There's the Garfield from the local Commodore computer shop. I also did my first setup of LED lights, so and also set up the LED lights in this part of the room as well. A couple of additions to my collection since last video. I have this PC5, perfect working order with the included keyboard as well, and also the, I'll just open up the cabinet, the VC20, which I have actually used in another video, but this is the German VIC-20. Now the reason why it's called a VC20, not a VIC-20, is that Vic in German sounds like a swear word, so they changed it to VC20, as in Volk's computer, or the people's computer, a bit like Volkswagen. And also this cool little multi-mole badge, and also one of these, oh yeah, that's right, that Commodore calculator as well. Now the LED strip lighting looks pretty cool when the light's off as well. Just, woohoo, pretty snazzy, eh? Something else I wanted to share with you in this video is that PCBWay got hold of me, asked to do a project with me, and of course I said, yeah, definitely. But right now I was actually wanting to do what everyone else has been doing and build a new Commodore 64. I've got one of these 60s clones main boards that I was going to set up with new components for the Commodore 64. So this was kindly supplied by, I told PCBWay I've already got the board and I was going to populate this with new components. So I got together all the components to make the 64 clone, and I pretty much want to have almost every single part being brand new. The only thing of course that would be old would be the keyboard and the proprietary chips, of course. What I wanted to do is have a brand new case. Before PCBWay got hold of me, I was going to 3D print a case for my Commodore 64, and I was trying to work out how to piece together the different sections to make one nice streamlined C64 case, and I just didn't think it was going to work well. And plus also the quality of my 3D printer was not great either. So PCBWay said, well hey, we do 3D printing up to 500mm by 500mm, which is ample because all I needed was 400, if you want to be precise, 406mm for the Commodore 64 breadbox case. So I'll show you what they did for me, because I wasn't quite ready to make this video. So I've got all the parts, now I've got the case, I've got the board, but I just haven't got the time to actually build it right now. I just wanted to show you what PCBWay sent to me. So I sent them the 3D printing files to make the case. Now I thought about a month, it'll be back. Within a week it was delivered to me, and the end result is absolutely stunning. Okay, so this is the case from PCBWay, the sponsors of this video, and like I said, I saw this, I opened up the box and it was so beautiful I had to share with you. So I'll show you what it looks like. Don't know if you can see that yet. Oops. Just getting the bubble wrap inside. Alright, just got some tape here keeping it together for now, but I don't know if you can see that, but this is so smooth, so beautiful. It's a piece of art. I just can't get over how amazing this looks. You can hardly see the 3D printing lines, and in fact this top half you definitely can't. Bottom half you can a little bit, but this is way better than what my 3D printer could ever do. So this actually here, this is stunning. Absolutely perfect. What am I going to do with this? As I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a build with using this case, and also using the, let's get this board. I'm populating it with all the chips and all the capacitors, all the components it needs to get up and running. Now I said to PCBWay, since you've been so generous in sending this beautiful 3D printed Commodore 64 case, and after the build we'll be giving away the new Commodore 64 3D printed case and fully working Commodore 64 away to one of my viewers. So that thanks to PCBWay. Appreciate your generosity in this. So watch out for that video coming up in the next couple of weeks as well.